The Move Shoot Move Tridaptor adapter uses a 3-axis adjustment system that makes it surprisingly easy to line up a phone camera perfectly with a telescope, spotting scope, monocular, or microscope eyepiece for clean, repeatable shots. Its generous range of adjustment lets it work with a wide variety of smartphones and standard-sized eyepieces, so you can keep using the same adapter even as you change phones or optics. The all-metal aluminum alloy construction feels solid in the hand and does not sag or flex, which helps keep the phone square to the eyepiece and reduces image blur from tiny shifts. Rubber padding on both the eyepiece clamp and the phone holder protects your gear from scratches while still gripping firmly enough that nothing creeps out of alignment during a long viewing session. The fine-tuning knobs for horizontal, vertical, and forward movement allow very precise framing and eye relief control, which is especially helpful for high-magnification planetary views or detailed wildlife shots. Clear setup guidance and the straightforward clamping system mean that once you understand the requirement for standard-length eyepieces, getting everything aligned and ready to shoot is quick and frustration-free.